Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the next system, that is the excretory system of cockroach. So in case of cockroach, the excretory system is basically a type of organ who remove the uric acid. So this organism actually produces a nitrogenous base which is converted into nitrogenous waste product, that is ammonia, that is converted into uric acid. And this production of uric acid will occur in the organs like Malpighian tubule, fat body, nephrocyte and uricose gland. They catch the nitrogenous waste product, that is the ammonia. They convert it into uric acid and they remove it, or they can store it for whole life. So the thing is, in case of them, this organism, they regulate the amount of nitrogenous waste material, then inorganic salts and the water balance in the blood or the hemolymph. So this organism's excretory system's main function is to maintain the proper salt and water balance. So it is helping in removal of the waste product as well as the osmoregulation. So remember that this excretory system remove the waste. Okay, it removes the waste, and second one, it maintain osmoregulation. Okay, it maintains osmoregulation. So yes, that is about the excretory system's main function, that is to remove the waste product and maintain the salt and water balance in the body. So this organism, the excretory system basically is going to have the organ, that is Malpighian tubule. In the digestive system, already I have mentioned, even I have drawn, that in the junction of the midgut and hindgut, there are around 100 to 150 hair-like, fine thread-like structures are present, that is known as the Malpighian tubule. Remember that this Malpighian tubule is actually the excretory organ of lots of other insects too. Cockroaches belong to the class also Insecta, so that's why they also have the Malpighian tubule. So those finger-like projections, they take the nitrogenous waste product, that is the ammonia, they convert it into the uric acid, and after that they will actually throw it into the alimentary canal. And once it is throwing into the alimentary canal from the hindgut, that is from the ileum, rectum, ileum, colon and the rectum, they are passes outside the body with the fecal matter. So this is the Malpighian tubule. Just remember how many Malpighian tubules are present. 100 to 150. Where it is present in the junction of midgut and the hindgut, who take the nitrogenous waste product and convert it into the uric acid and excrete it through the hindgut. So this is the first organ you have to remember, that is the Malpighian tubule. How many numbers? 100 to 150 in the junction of midgut and hindgut. Second one, this is known as the fat body. Remember, this fat body is important because this fat body do not remove the waste product. They store it, they convert the ammonia into uric acid, but it stores this uric acid throughout their life, right? So just see, fat cells below the body wall produce and store the uric acid throughout the life. So this is important thing, that in case of this cockroach, in the body wall, just beneath the body wall, they are going to have this fat bodies, that means the fat cells. So this fat actually can absorb the waste product. That waste product will be present throughout their life. They are not being excreted. So that is the fat body. So that fat body also works as an excretory organ. They do not remove the waste product outside, but it stores it forever. Next one, the third one, that is the nephrocyte. Where the nephrocyte is present, see, it is a colorless, large, arranged on the side of the heart. Okay, so on each side of the heart, some colorless cells are present. Okay, so side, it indicates the cell. So some large colorless cells are present on either side of the heart, that is called as the nephrocyte, which also take up the nitrogenous waste product and store it. Next, the last one, that is the uricose gland. See, uricose gland is not present in all of the organism. That will be present in some of the organisms, some species of the cockroach, and it removes the waste product. It stores the waste product, and where it is present just on the sides of the mushroom gland. So till we have not discussed about reproductive system. When we will discuss reproductive system, we will understand what is that mushroom gland. So see, on the periphery of the mushroom gland, that synthesize the uric acid. So this mushroom gland is actually one male reproductive organ that is present in case of male cockroach. On the wall of this mushroom gland, this uricose gland, which is present just behind the mushroom gland, which synthesize the uric acid from the nitrogenous waste product, that is ammonia. So these are the four different types of organs, excretory organs, who actually produce the nitrogenous waste product, that is uric acid. One thing, remember that in case of the excretory system, this organism have Malpighian tubule, fat body, nephrocyte, and uricose gland. Next one, in case of this organism, they are uricotelic organism. Uricotelic organism means the organisms which waste product, where the nitrogenous waste product is uric acid. If you see, in case of human have the nitrogenous waste product urea. In case of the suppose fishes, okay, we have conrictis and osteichthyes, already we have discussed. So in case of the osteichthyes, the nitrogenous waste product is ammonia, so that's why they are ammonotelic, and the conrictis, they are ureotelic like us. That means in case of conrictis and in case of mammals, we have the waste product urea. But in case of cockroach, this organism, as they have very scarcity, they have very less water intake, or they have scarcity of water, so that's why they convert the nitrogenous waste product into the uric acid, so that they can remove it, propel it outside their body with the expense of less water, or even least amount of water. So that is all about the excretory system. That is going to be Malpighian tubule, who produce the uric acid from the ammonia and also remove it. But fat body, nephrocyte, uricose gland, they store it for whole life. They produce the uric acid, but after producing it, they store it for the whole life, because there is no another passage for removal of this nitrogenous waste product, uric acid. So yes, that is all about the excretory system of cockroach. Hope you have understood. Thank you.